Hello guys, today we've got an Iseo R6 cylinder. This is the new one, because you can tell it has got a different bow of the key, and this is the old one with the old bow. Anyways, let's get it picked. African one. Put that back in. Don't know who it thought it was. Two. Okay. Got two now. Got him set. 3 wants to be set now, so I'll set him. So does 1 into a fault set. Okay, so I set that, but I dropped a few pins. No big deal, and we've got it open. So that wasn't very hard. They're not really, to be honest with you. Not if you're good at dimple picking, but let's get it open and see what's inside. There's the key for that. So let's do a quick zoom in. Yeah, so Iseo R6, nothing special about that, that's for sure. Relatively disappointed.
Is this the gentleman who ruined the buffet at the Harrow Club this morning?
Yes, sir.
I just bet you are the pride of your department in Detroit. Lieutenant, I'd like to see you in your office.
Yes, sir.
Is this the man who wrecked the buffet at the Harrow Club this morning?